All right, we have some big breaking news coming in that actor Jacqueline Fernandez was stopped at the Mumbai International Airport by the authorities, and that because a lookout circular has been issued against her by the Enforcement Directorate. She appeared to be heading out of the country for a show. She has not been detained is what we are picking up for now. That's the big breaking news coming in. Actor Jacqueline Fernandez was stopped at the airport, was not allowed to leave India, and that, remember, because there was a lookout notice against her. What is the controversy? Remember, in the past as well, just a short while ago, Jacqueline Fernandez was also summoned by the Enforcement Directorate, and she has responded to some summons earlier. But for the past few weeks, she had been citing work commitments. She hadn't shown up with regard to the ED summons, and that appears was what led to a lookout notice. Actor Jacqueline Fernandez stopped by the airport authorities over the Enforcement Directorate notice. You can see in one of the pictures, there was also Sukesh Chandrasekhar, a con man who's currently currently in the custody of the police, and that investigation is on. But that is where the name of actor Jacqueline Fernandez and then later also dancer and actor Nora Fatehi's name had cropped up. So that's the news right now coming in at this point that actor Jacqueline Fernandez was stopped at the Mumbai airport according to our sources. But we're also confirming here that she has not been detained for now. So what are the details? I can just give you a quick background before we go across to our reporter. The details of the ED's charge sheet involving conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar was also accessed exclusively by India Today and has revealed that there were possibly, remember, expensive gifts worth over even 10 crore rupees that was given to the actor Jacqueline Fernandez. She had received repeated summons. Earlier, she had come and responded to the summons, but then started to cite work commitments of this incident. At this point, we'll go across to our colleague Munish Pandey for all the latest. So, Munish, she hadn't responded to the latest summons by the ED, was citing work commitments, but now it appears that she's not even allowed to leave the country. Can you hear me, Munish, on the latest?
Yeah, well, Pooja, what we have been given to understand is that Jacqueline Fernandez was going out of country for a show, for some promotion work, but at Mumbai International Airport, the authorities stopped her from going or leaving the country. Now, why this has happened? Because there is a lookout circular issued against Jacqueline Fernandez in Sukesh Chandrasekhar case. Recently, there is a charge sheet which has been filed by the Enforcement Directorate against Sukesh Chandrasekhar, in which Jacqueline Fernandez her name has also been mentioned in the charge sheet. And what ED suspects at this point of time is that the proceeds of crime, the 200 crore rupees which Sukesh Chandrasekhar, the con man, extorted, was a part of which was given to Jacqueline Fernandez. That money has been recorded, and that is why her statements have been recorded in the past. And now in the recent development, she has been stopped at the Mumbai International Airport from leaving the country.
It's confirmed 2 points, Manish. One, that she has not been detained for now. What does that mean? That means that she was stopped and told to leave back to her home.
Yeah, well, Pooja, the exact nature of lookout circular is to prevent a person from leaving the country. Now, it is up to the authorities that whether they detain or not. At the airport, there are authorities, government authorities, who are responsible for stopping a person if there is a lookout circular, and based on which Jacqueline Fernandez was stopped. Later, the Enforcement Directorate was informed that we have not allowed Jacqueline Fernandez to leave the country, to which ED has said that she can go wherever she wants in India, but she cannot leave the country. And there is some communication which has happened between the Enforcement Directorate and Jacqueline Fernandez now. So as of now, she has not been detained by the Enforcement Directorate. The airport authorities can only stop her. They cannot detain her. And
yes,
in a while from now, it will be clear whether the ED wants to detain her or not. But as of now, she has not.
Munish, let's go a little back for the benefit of our viewers to help us understand why this lookout notice was issued against Jacqueline Fernandez in the first place, because she had responded to some summons, but then the ED said a lookout notice against her in the Sukesh Chandrasekhar conman case with gifts of crores of rupees possibly.
Yeah, well, Pooja, and as far as this case is concerned, how Jacqueline Fernandez's name came into the entire picture. Sukesh Chandrasekhar is a con man who extorted a businessman and wife for 200 crore rupees while he was in Tihar jail. When the enforcement directorate started investigating the case, they came to know that Sukesh Chandrasekhar spent crores and crores of rupees on Jacqueline Fernandez while he was out on bail and while he was in jail also. The proceeds of crime, the extorted money, went to Jacqueline Fernandez. There are instances where expensive gifts worth more than 10 crore rupees were given to Jacqueline Fernandez by Sukesh Chandrasekhar. Her chartered flights were booked by Sukesh Chandrasekhar. Persian cats and horses worth more than 50 lakh rupees were given by Sukesh Chandrasekhar to Jacqueline Fernandez. So the extorted money went indirectly to Jacqueline Fernandez, and this is the task for the enforcement directorate to recover that money. In the recent charge sheet also, the enforcement directorate has raised the suspicion on Jacqueline Fernandez, and
Yes.
in a moment from now, it will be clear whether ED is going to press any charges on Jacqueline Fernandez or not. But as of now, her statements have been recorded twice, and she is not allowed to leave the country.
So not allowed to leave India. She wanted to go for some show, but a lookout notice had been issued against her. It was immediately by alert authorities. They had tracked that she was about to leave, but she has not been detained. We'll wait and watch how this pans out. What you're looking at is the photograph of Sukesh Chandrasekhar, who's currently in custody and allegedly was running a racket of crores of rupees while he was in the prison. Munish Pandey with all the latest. I'll continue to get you updates on what precisely is the status of this case heading into a very short break. Thank you for watching. For now, Jacqueline Fernandez not allowed to leave the country.